Okay, here's what I'm doing. I'm putting another box of models. Now, I no longer have the time to fix and repair. So as soon as I'm get done with these models, I do not even have the time to clean. And this one does not have a motor on it. And there is one chassis motor for, I think it's Arthur. Rosie. Battery terminal looks good. I have no idea if it works or not work or don't work. I don't know. Revolutions. This one I have no idea. Connor shell or top. This one no clue. Oh, here's the motor for Connor. Obviously there is some corrosion. Yeah, so I'm grabbing all the boxes I can. Some of these are filthy with a lot of corrosion, no time to test. So what I'm doing also is I'm going to, I think this one, yeah, this one is for this. It's for a remote control. I do not have the remote. I think this one is remote control James. I do not have the remote. But you can turn, I mean, you can make the conversion to motor with no remote. I'm trying to check all the boxes, guys. I have so many boxes. During the next days, I'm just going to grab and fill box of, you know, make sure the box is full of Thomas things. So I list them as a junk, but you can find some of these parts are, you know, as a spare parts. So okay, let's fill up the box. Let's see if we can make it complete full box. I also had to add some of those models that are not even Trackmaster just to fill up the box. So remember, these are for parts not working incomplete, and you might use it for a custom models. This is not even Thomas, but I need to fill the box, you know. See, if I start list them individually, it will take me forever. We have a project, big projects coming soon, so we need the space and no longer use them. It's completely full. That's 10 times 8 times 6.